Thinking about your next Caribbean getaway? Let me take you to St Vincent and the Grenadines, a chain of 32 incredible islands where every view feels like a screensaver. This destination is perfect for anyone who wants quiet beaches, clear turquoise water, and the kind of peaceful island atmosphere you don't find everywhere. Start your journey on the main island of St Vincent, where lush green mountains rise over black sand beaches. Wander through Kingstown's colorful markets, taste local fruits, and meet the friendly locals who make this place feel so welcoming. Then, take a boat ride out to the Grenadines, where the water gets brighter, the beaches get softer, and life slows down instantly. One of the best stops is Bequia, a small island full of charm. Here, you'll find calm beaches, sailboats drifting in the harbor, and some of the best snorkeling spots in the area. The pace is relaxed, the sunsets are unreal, and every corner feels like a perfect moment waiting to be captured. Now, if you're looking for something truly unforgettable, head to the Tobago Cays. This protected marine park is famous for its bright coral reefs and endless shades of blue. You can swim with sea turtles, float above coral gardens, and capture underwater shots that look professionally filmed, even if you're a beginner. For the adventurous traveler, hiking La Soufriere volcano is a must. The trail takes you through rainforest, steep ridges, and eventually to the crater's edge with dramatic views of the Caribbean. It's a challenging climb, but the footage you'll get from the top, absolutely worth it. Now let's talk about capturing all of this beauty, because St. Vincent and the Grenadines is the kind of place where you'll want to film everything. For action-packed travel, the GoPro Hero 12 Black is a perfect choice. It's rugged, waterproof, and ideal for snorkeling, boating, and island exploration. If you're into immersive clips that capture the entire scene, the Insta360 X4 gives you smooth, 360-degree footage that looks like something out of a movie. And if you want beautiful, cinematic shots, especially at sunrise or sunset, the DJI Osmo Action 4 delivers incredible color and low-light performance. But here's something many travelers forget: keeping your footage safe. When you're island hopping, Wi-Fi can be limited, so bring extra micro SD cards and a portable power bank. And most importantly, don't forget your 512 gigabyte flash drive for iPhone. It's perfect for backing up photos and videos right from your phone, giving you peace of mind wherever you are. If you want to see the exact camera gear I recommend, check the links in the description. I've added my top picks for cameras, storage, and travel accessories to make your trip easier. And if you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone planning their next Caribbean adventure. More travel tips and gear recommendations are coming your way